Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Toshiba portable air conditioner P1 error. Drain full internal water tank fast. The P1 error on a Toshiba portable air conditioner means the internal water condensation tank is completely full. The unit automatically stops cooling to prevent water from overflowing onto your floor. So fast drain method. Turn off the air conditioner and unplug it, then find the upper drain port on the back. Remove the drain cap and rubber plug, then connect a drain hose. Put the other end of the hose into a drain or bucket, then make sure the hose point downward. Plug in the air conditioner and turn it on. The water will drain continuously. Also, manual drain method. Turn off the air conditioner and unplug it, then place a bucket or solo pan under the bottom drain. Then remove the drain cap and rubber plug. Let the water drain out completely. Tilt the unit back slightly to remove any remaining water, then put the rubber plug and drain cap back on. Plug in the air conditioner and turn it on. The P1 error should be gone. Thanks for watching.